Hey guys, welcome to Total Technik. In this video we're going to be focusing on how to remove this decorative trim panel right here for the Audi A6, S6 and RS6 C5 models, Saloon and Avant. So let's take a look. Okay, so first things first, we need to get this decorative trim removed. First thing you need to do is actually to remove the glove box. It only takes a few minutes to do, it's dead simple. If you're unsure on how to do it, we've already filmed a video for you. If you look below this video on YouTube in the information section, we'll add a link there for you for the glove box removal video if you're unsure how to do that. But that can be done in literally 5 minutes. So get that done, come back to us when you're at this stage, and then we can focus on the decorative trim itself. Now the trim is held in with 4 clips which are roughly kind of evenly spaced across the back of the trim, and they're like kind of almost arrowhead shaped kind of pieces of plastic that clip into some metal clips which are up underneath the dashboard. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the camera up underneath the dashboard and give you a close-up of the rear of the clips so you know what we're working on. So this is the view up underneath the dash, just in the centre of the shot there. You can see the metal clip with the black plastic piece pointing through it, just there. That's the rear of the clip, and there's 4 of those. You can see there's a second one just coming into shot there, across the back there. So that's what we're going to be pushing from the inside out. So to release these clips, what you want to do is you want to push them from the inside outside. They can be in pretty tight, so rather than using the tips of your fingers, if you put the something that's plastic or metal on the back of them, just use that to help push it forward. I find it's usually easier to start with the 2 outside ones. There's 1. There's 2. And the 2 centre ones are almost always a lot harder to get than the outer ones. There we go, just swap to a metal screwdriver, give me a bit more leverage there. There he is, yeah, that one's coming. Okay, so I think he's pretty much free, so I'm just going to lift him gently with the trim tool. There he goes, okay, perfect. So I'll lift that forward. We can take a look at what we've got there. As you can see, I've actually got one of the clips that's popped out. That's no problem, we can pop that back in a second. I'll show you how to do that if yours does that as well. Got these little plastic kind of arrowhead barbed sections, and they, as you can see here, they fit into these little clips which are built into the dash, and there's 4 of those across the back there. So I'll show you quickly how to put this back in, just in case one of yours pops out as well. But as you can see, that is the trim completely removed.